Hi, it's Sandra here from Create in Spain. This very brief video is simply to inform anyone who's been watching my stamp making videos that the VX55 polymer is now available in the USA from Amazon.com. Yes, you can get it online. Thank you very much to one of my viewers, Kathia, who's just let me in on this information. I knew they were starting to try and get it in stock and they were hoping it was going to be sold through Amazon, and now it actually is. So if you've been holding off on your stamp making because you couldn't get the gel, if you're in the States, you now can. So I think it's about 29 videos in my stamp making playlist. So if you want to make your own stamps, you have no excuse now if you're in the USA. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.